this is how to add a link to a short clip with Opus Clip. So once you are on the Opus Pro, this will be their homepage, and just simply go to my dashboard, the top right over here. And now just simply go ahead and upload a link or a video, and it will look something like this. So this is our video as an example. So go ahead and click on it. And now from here, you should be able to see all of the clips that has been made. So in order for you to add a link, you can just simply go ahead and go for edit clip over here. And now from here, guys, just simply go for the text and go for the heading or the body text. So it will be depending on your style. So I'm going to go for body text. And now from here, you will have this box. So just simply put it on the right place, and you can just simply provide the link over here. Let's say I'm going to go to fb.com. And from here, you can resize it by clicking on this black icon. And down below, guys, you should be able to see here this block. So just simply select where it is going to show, and select as well where it will start and where it will end. And from there, you should be able to add it, as you can see. And now, guys, once you are done, you can just simply click on Save Changes at the top right over here. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!